Hello, hi friends, once again welcome to our channel. So in this video I will discuss about two companies, that is ThoughtWorks and TCS NQT. So in ThoughtWorks it's founded in 1993 and head office is in Chicago, and they are like having 48 offices in 17 countries. They provide software development and consulting services. So it's a publicly owned company. So you can apply in this company as well. It's a good company. And coming to TCS NQT, so they are hiring for 21, 20 and 21 for batches, BTech and MTech students. So we in this session I will let you know about what are the recruitment process, what are the eligibility criterias, and how you can apply. So I will share a link in the description. You can just click and apply if you haven't applied till. So first of all, you need to click on the link which I have given in the description. So if you are new to this on Hacker Earth, you need to create an account just by clicking on sign up. And if you are old, then you can just log in. So ThoughtWork they are hiring for a data engineer role. So they are looking for 0 to 1 years of experience. Ex candidate also can apply. So closing date is 19th of September, and duration of assessment will be 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so if I talk about eligibility criteria, so they are looking for Java, Ruby, Python, C# and Golang. Years of experience they are looking 0 to 1. Challenge format will be, you will be getting a challenge of like assessment will be one basic programming question that you can give your assessment programming. You can solve your programming question in Java, Ruby, Python, C# and Golang, and there will be one SQL question and 10 MCQs question. Okay, so this is the link. So this is how you can apply to this. If I talk about joining location, job location will be Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Coimbatore, Mumbai, Hyderabad and Gurgaon. Okay, so they have not disclosed their CTC. So if you are interested in this profile, so you can good to go. You need to start, click on start now, and you can give your assessment challenge. Now coming on TCS. TCS is hiring in a bulk hiring is going on, off campus hiring for 2021 2021 and 20 batches for both BTech and MTech students can apply in this. So I have shared a link in the description. Just you need to copy and paste the link here, and you will find this window. So you just need to register now, and if you are new, and then if you have already have an account in TCS NQT, then you can simply log in from here. And let's discuss about the syllabus of TCS NQT. TCS is hiring for the profile of assistant system engineer. CTC is 3.36 lakhs per annum for UG and 3.5 lakhs per annum for PG. If I talk about selection process, so cognitive skills, there will be verbal ability, reasoning ability and numerical ability. These are the sections for cognitive skills. And if I talk about programming skills, programming logic and coding, there are two sections in programming skills you will be getting. And mode of examination will be in center and remotely you can apply. There will be no negative marking. So now coming on syllabus, so 24 question will be asked from verbal ability, will be 30 minutes. 30 questions will be asked from reasoning ability, and will be 50 minutes. 26 question will be asked from numerical ability. And if I talk about programming logic, 10 question will be from programming logic, will be 15 minutes. One question of programming code, that is coding, will be 15 minutes. And the second coding questions will consist of 30 minutes. Total you will be getting 180 minutes assessments of NQT. And if I talk about eligibility criteria is 60% throughout 10th, 12th, diploma, BTech, graduation or MCA, MTech. Pass out years will be 21, 22 will be eligible. Maximum 2-year gap if a candidate has a valid reason will be fine. Maximum one standing backlog is okay. So last day of registration is 24 September. So if any of you have not applied in TCS NQT, so you can apply it. Thank you, and do like and subscribe. Thank you.